Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can see the number of shares your post has got in Instagram. So for example, I have posted this particular photo right here, and if I want to know the number of shares, now here you can see that it is indeed giving me the number of likes it received. But in order to view the number of shares, you need to have a professional Facebook account, professional Instagram account, be it a business or a creator account, that doesn't matter, but it should be a professional account. If you don't know how to create one, you may check out our YouTube channel's playlist, it is right there. So in order to proceed, what you can do is simply click on these three horizontal lines present at the top right corner of your screen. Then once you're inside the settings and activity tab, you can scroll down, and under the for professionals section you can see this option which says insights. Click on this insights, and here you can choose that post which you want to check the shares of. So for example, let's say this post right here, and here you can see that the insights have been loaded, and these shows the number of likes, comments, shares and bookmarks. So you may also scroll down, and here you can see that this has got a save, a single like and zero shares. So if someone would have shared it, it would have showed that particular number right here. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.